Yeah, I got my headphones on today. Now get your fake news out of my face. Ain't got no bills I have to pay. That could be a missile headed straight my way. Airbrush, my life be like airbrush. Even when the world is the worst. Too much, people complain too much. Hate me, but that's not my concern. I'm feeling so alive right now. I feel like I can fly, like I can touch the sky right now. I guess I got my head in the clouds. Right now, right now, right now, right now. I'm not fazed by the things you gotta say. I guess I got my head in the clouds.
You just want somebody you can blame. One too many times, had to learn from my mistakes. Yeah, it took my heart, now look at what remains. One too many times, had to learn from my mistakes. Yeah, you just want somebody who can blame. One too many times, had to learn from my mistakes. Yeah, it took my heart, now look at what remains. One too many times, had to learn from my mistakes. Yeah, oh baby, driving me crazy. Don't know who can save me, but just know.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna say one thing. Right now my hands and my soul have got it filthy. And it's taking everything for me to come clean. Hey, yeah, woke up to the same old shit. Same old rabbits playing same old tricks. Same old habits with the same old stench in the air. Roll splits big as egg rolls, bitch, I don't care. I've been keeping overstimulated just to compensate for all the problems I've accumulated. Got a brain full of chemicals for the pain. Just a victim of the pharmaceutical drug game. Check it out, I got a couple things on my chest now. They keep playing on me, got me feeling stressed out. Drugs aren't helping, all I do is feel suppressed now. Fuck it, I'ma have to come clean. Fuck it, I'ma have to come clean now. Better tell my team that I'm ducking off the scene now. That don't mean I'm leaving here forever, but I'm leaving for the better.